Peter Rabbit. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter lived with their mother underneath the root of a big fir tree. One day, Mrs. Rabbit sent them down the lane to gather blackberries. "Don't get into mischief," she told them. But naughty Peter Rabbit ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. First, he ate some lettuces and some French beans, and then he ate some radishes. Mr. McGregor saw Peter and chased him, calling out, "Stop, thief!" Peter was very frightened. He rushed all over the garden in a fearful panic, and with a splash hid in a watering can. Presently, Peter sneezed. "Achoo!" Mr. McGregor was after him in no time and tried to put his foot upon Peter. Peter jumped out of the window. It was too small for Mr. McGregor, and he was tired. He went back to his work. Mr. McGregor caught sight of Peter again at the corner and gave chase, but Peter slipped back under the gate, safe at last. Peter was not very well during the evening, so his mother put him to bed and gave him some hot chamomile tea. The end.